Kindly subscribe to Focus Academic Solution YouTube channel.
Okay, projectile motion. Projectile motion is a motion that moves in a parabolic path or curve, and it can also be a motion that's transferred into the air or launched into this place and move freely by itself due to the influence of gravity. That is, talking about a projectile motion. That is, we neglect air resistance in order not to affect what the object projected. So in this form, we have this diagram to explain more further on projectile motion. So this is the angle that explains how the body is moving, the system. So here is the maximum height of the projectile, and we have the time taken here, the time of flight, and the range. The range here are denoted from from the vertical axis, from the horizontal axis, sorry. So I have my x naught and my x initial displacement and final displacement. On this note, I have my y-axis on vertical axis, that's the initial distance, and final distance. So the next thing I will talk about the terms used to solve a projectile motion. The first term we use the time taking. Time taking can be defined as the time required for an object to reach its maximum height. So from this diagram, the time taken here is from the maximum height, that is the time required for an object to reach its maximum height. So that's what we call the time taking. So derivation for time taking. So we have from v equal to u plus at from the first equation of motion. So our v is 0, and our u and our g is acceleration due to gravity. So we have minus gt. So I have minus u equal to minus gt. So from here I cancel out the negative sign. I have t equal to u all over g. So we add your vertical component to it. So times vx, which is equal to sine theta. So from here you can now say that time taking is equal to ug sine theta, or ug sine theta. So we add this for maximum height of a projectile. Are we there? So we add the value for time taking from our